Hello, welcome back to my channel. Shawna here, and today I am doing a trunk club unboxing. And I didn't ask for anything, but this box is filthy and it was wet. I think it got dropped in the mud. And so I have to wipe it off, and I don't want to touch it very much. But luckily, everything is wrapped in plastic in there, so I suspect everything's okay, but we'll take a look. I didn't ask for anything, but I'm kind of hoping I get something cute for going out. I'm going to a comedy show with my sister in a couple days, and it'd be fun to have a new outfit for it. So nothing too fancy, but we'll see. If anybody's gonna send it, it's gonna be Trunk Club. All right. Because everything's individually wrapped, I'm just gonna go try on the first outfit, but I have to wipe this off first. It's real gross. All right, I'll be right back. So apparently Trunk Club missed in my bio that I am 45 years old. Are you kidding me with this? I'm like this. Okay, I'm not 16. I'm not wearing this. I mean, the sweater is really soft and I love the color. No, sorry. Okay, so the Good American jeans, I don't know if they're that flattering. They're kind of a weird cut at the bottom. I think they're straight leg. And I do think Good Americans are pretty flattering for curvy women, but I'm not that in love with them, and this is making me crazy. Here, I'm okay now. Okay, well, we'll just go try on the next outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, this is kind of a weird box. Okay, so the scarf is like it's not terrible, it's really soft. It's a snake print. That's just not my style. It seems like a little bit, I don't know, old for me. I don't know. But then I see young people wearing snakeskin stuff and it's really cute. But it seems a little bit for an older crowd. So also they sent these Toms, and I saw them before they sent them and I thought I should just take those off. This isn't my jam either. I had them send them just to see and give it a try, but they're just not me. Okay, so they sent that super short shirt and the really distressed jeans for like a young person, but then they send these little bit older stuff. And then this sweater is okay. It's by BP, so is the other one. It's okay. I think the color is a little off. It's not like it has a little bit of a yellow tinge to it that I tend to like yellow, but it's not great. It's not a great color. And I kind of like the length, but it's shorter. It's for, you know, a little bit younger person, which it's not a terrible fit, especially with a high-waisted jean, but it's like, I got these kind of older things with these young things. Okay, so these are the Wit and Wisdom jeans, and they're not great, but they're not bad. I'm not used to this length where it's like a straight leg, but they're short. I don't know. Tell me what you think about them. They're just a dark blue wash. Again, they're not terrible, but I don't know. I don't think they're that flattering. And by the way, we got a new baby kitten, and she's a menace. This is Ruby, and she's torturing everyone, but look how adorable she is. Okay, go cause havoc. All right, let me go try on the last outfit. I'll be right back. Okay, here's the last outfit, kind of. I don't think it really goes together, but it is today. So this jacket, it's kind of a funny color. I don't know what color this is. I thought it was green, but now it's like taupe, maybe. It has a hood. It even zips. It's pretty cute. I don't like it with this dress, but if the price is right, I might have to try it on with some jeans and see if it's something that I would ever go grab. I'm not totally sure I would. Okay, so then the next thing I got were these cute little goldy diamond earrings, little hoops, which are super cute. Again, those depend on the price too, because I got lots of earrings and I am notoriously cheap when it comes to jewelry. I'll spend a lot on jeans and nothing on jewelry. Which seems backwards, but it is what it is. Okay, so here's the dress. It's pretty cute. It's flattering. I don't have any Spanx on with it, but you'll get the picture. It's got like a nice little crisscross front with the nice rouging on the side. It's a long sleeve. It could kind of be perfect for my Friday outing. What do you think? Yes? Tights? Maybe, depends. It's late, so I think maybe tights with it. Necklace, cute jacket. Could work. It could really work. But, okay, it depends on the price too. It's just really a pretty nice cotton material. So we'll see what the price is. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, it's time to go over prices, and it's gonna be really important because I think this was a really weird box. I think it was a weird box. So yes, the prices are gonna matter, I feel like. Okay, so the Good American ripped jeans are not as bad as I've seen them before. They're $89.40. I just don't think they're particularly flattering on me. If you feel differently, let me know. But I didn't feel amazing in them. And they didn't have quite as much stretch as I like, but they weren't bad. And then there's this lovely green top, and half of it's missing, but if you don't mind that, you can get it for your teenage daughter. And it actually is a really good price. It's $35, and it's BP. So yeah, you can pick that up for your daughter. It is super soft, and I love the color. It just half of it's missing. Okay, so then the dress. So the dress it's $59. That's not bad. It's not bad, it's cute. I just get worried about dresses like this. Like I'll buy them and then I just barely ever wear them. So I have a number of this kind of style dress in my closet. But $59 is not a bad price. So I'll have to think about that and tell me what you think. Okay, we had one miss and I'm sad about it because I was really excited about it. They're these green cargo Spanx, and my daughter has a bunch of green cargo pants and I love them on her, and I was like, ooh, well, let me try some. They would not go up. So if you are a size 14 typically, don't get these in an XL because they will not fit you. Unless you're like not hippie at all and could slide them right on, but these would not stretch enough to go over the hips. So unfortunately, they're a no-go, and they are $128. They're really cute, but not on me. Okay, so then also we have the Toms, and they are $45.47. And if you love an animal print, I bet they're really comfortable and cute on. They're just not me at all. Just not me. Okay, the earrings are $68. Which you know prices me into not getting them. They're really cute though as well. Oh, okay. This is not going that well. All right, the other BP, and they call it brown, Crewneck sweater is $36, which I think that's a great price, but I'm just not in love with this either. Okay, do you see my menace cat? Okay. So then we have the Wit and Wisdom jeans. Let's see. And they're $68. That's a great price. Again, these were fine, but I think I have more flattering denim. They just weren't great. So I'm not gonna spend $68 on less than great. Okay, last couple things. The jacket. I wanna hear what you think about the jacket. I just am not totally sure I'd grab it, but I think it is really cute. It's like one of those like, oh, I love that. I wear it all the time, and then just don't. It is $98. I probably won't get it for $90. I don't think that's a bad price. If like I like the cut of it. It fit great. I just don't think I would wear it enough. I don't know. What do you think? It's really cute though. Okay, people. All right, and then the last thing is the scarf. And the scarf is $27, which is a good price, but just not something I loved. Am I gonna send it all back? I think I'm gonna send it all back today. That's a bummer. I've had a bunch of really good Trunk Club boxes recently, so this is a kind of a bummer for me. But hey, if it's not great, it's not great. And I got other boxes, so it's fine. All right, well, if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my channel, I'm almost to 2,000 subscribers. You guys are amazing. I'd love to get over that mark. It would be really cool. If you like my video, give it a thumbs up and hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button to be notified when I post new videos. All right, thanks so much for watching. Let me know what you think.